My name is Titi. I'm a solar mama from Great Plains Foundation. Before the solar systems, some people could use only candles, which ended up making some home villages burn up. It wasn't so safe. In 2019, Great Plains selected 9 ladies from the community villages to go and study solar engineering in India. When they came back, Great Plains started giving them solar systems so that they can install to people who couldn't afford to buy the electricity, so that they can start lighting their homes. Especially kids, they can study at night because there's more light and it's safe. Before the solar, some people live more in the outskirts of the village. So after the solar came, they say the elephants are more scared of lights now. So there's no more conflict between people and the elephants because they move away.